Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Have you ever seen some people that were nursing like lion or all those wild animals, and they are using it as a pet in their house instead of dog, cat, and so on and so forth? Maybe the lion will grow up and definitely consume the owner of the house. There is something strange going on in Kwara State and Plateau State. If you have seen our reports in these days, Meiti and land leaders in Plateau State and Kwara State, they are assassinating them. Yeah, when I mean they're assassinating them, if they assassinate one, another one will enter, they will still assassinate the person. Now, the whole information, the reason why the Meiti and land leaders have been dying is now out. Because as I speak to you, yesterday, gunmen killed Headers Union chairman in Plateau State again. Then we discovered that it was Fulani terrorists that are killing their leaders. And we were asking, what could that be? What is the problem? Why are they killing their leaders? We came to realize that their leaders truly don't want them to continue to terrorize all those Yorubaland. I don't know for the best reason to them. Because governors like Makinde and others has been engaging the heads of Meiti and others, telling them that if this thing, pass like this, we are going to give you people quick notice to leave our land and so on and so forth. So their leaders, maybe they were trying to maintain a temporal decorum, temporal peace, so that people will feel that yes, their leaders have control over them. Unfortunately, they now started killing their leaders. Now, Sahara reporters reported the one that happened yesterday, that gunmen killed Headers Union chairman in Plateau State. And this is the details of the article. It reads that the chairman of the Meiti Ada Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria in the Bariki Nadi area of Plateau State has been assassinated. The deceased, identified as Mohammed Adamu, was reportedly shot and killed at his residence by unidentified gunmen. Follow me. This development was confirmed by the Plateau State chairman of the Meiti under something, Ibrahim Yusuf Babayo, who condemned the attack and called on security agencies to investigate and apprehend the perpetrators. Adamu's body has been deposited at the Barking Ladi General Hospital ahead of his burial, scheduled for Thursday. The gunmen attacked him and shot him multiple times. There are bullet wounds on his body after they shot him. They fled the area, he said. Sahara reporters had previously reported a similar tragic incident in Kwara State, where the Meiti Allah leader Alhaji Idris Abubakar was also killed. In response to Abubakar's murder, Meiti Allah in Kwara State raised the alarm over what he described as the targeted assassination of its leaders. Meiti Allah's Kwara State Secretary, Mandan Abdulaziz Mohammed, stated that Abubakar's killing was not random, but rather a direct attack on his effort to rid the state of criminal elements disguising themselves as cattle breeders. Now, you see what I'm telling you, where it is coming from? That the reason why they are killing them is because they are trying to get rid of the terrorists, the Fulani terrorists, who are, posing to be cattle breeding people. Okay? Now, time with that number, I do tell people that all these people kidnapping, doing all sort of thing, no, it's not all about cattle business or farmers class, no. Because this man now, this Kwara State and Plateau State, Meiti and Alida, they were able to discover that no, our people are not the one doing it, but the people are doing this, they are Fulanis, and they are trying to, act like imposture to Fulani headers, and they try to stop them and they start killing them. So, who are sponsoring these people? It's a question we have to discuss later. Now, the article continues that he further explained that Abubakar has received multiple death threats from criminal elements, warning him to stop interfering in the operations or face elimination. Idris Abubakar was a fearless warrior. He confronted kidnappers and criminals, warning them to stop the activities or face the law. That made him a target, he said. According to the Meiti under leader, Abubakar was attacked shortly after breaking his Ramadan fast and attending prayers with a prominent politician, Yahya Seriki, before returning home. The association also revealed that Abubakar was the fourth Fulani leader to be killed in Kwara in Kwara in recent time, expressing concern that its members were being systematically hunted down. Now, my joy is that the Fulanis now will not say that the Yorubas are killing them. Okay, the Fulanis are killing Fulanis. The Fulanis who want to stop the Fulanis from terrorizing, from killing people, the same Fulani is killing them. Okay, it will get to everybody step by step. The Fulani leaders were vocal in condemning crimes within their communities. They consistently want criminal elements at gatherings and meetings. This is why they became targets. Abdulaziz lamented. That is the end of the article. So you now understand what is going on. You now understand how these people operate. That anybody standing on their way not to kill them, they will come after the person and kill them. Now, let me take you back to who are their sponsors. Their sponsors are in the politicians who truly want ethnic cleansing to reduce people's strength, and at the end, it could be termed as Islamization. Okay? Now, do you now understand why everybody from the old Eastern region that will rise up today and said, we are going to fight these terrorists called Fulani herdsmen in our bushes? Immediately you make that proclamation, your politicians will be against you, your people will be against you. A lot of people will just come against you. You'll be asking, what have I done? Is it a crime to fight crime? But in Nigeria, it is a crime to fight crime. Once you single yourself out to be modest, imagine the Miyetti Allah leaders are being killed because they ask their people not to commit crimes. They ask their people, you have to stop kidnapping. You are not part of us. They now kill them. So if Fulani can kill Fulani who want to stop him from kidnapping, from killing, who are you? You see, the threats on the life of a lot of people who speak out is much. Okay, it's much. Forget about what you see on social media. What we don't put on social media is greater than. That is why I'm telling you that there is a system in Nigeria. You know, system is not easy to destroy. There is a system that has already destroyed Nigeria, and you cannot stop a system. A system is like a computer program. They program it in your phone that once you pick up your phone like this and you go to call, you dial the number in call button here, for example. Once you dial the number in call button like this and you send it, it will go. It has been programmed like that. That is a system. So if you dial the number, you send it, unless you press the red button to stop it, it will not stop. So everything is a system. Killing in Nigeria is a system. That is what I want you people to understand. And it's very difficult to stop a system. You cannot press the red button to end your call and you expect your call not to end. It will end because it's a system. So the killing in Nigeria is a system that can never stop. Okay, it won't stop. The only thing that will stop it is when you destroy the phone. That is when you destroy this country totally. Separate this country. Do what you want to do with this country. That is only where the killing will stop. Now, I want you to always understand the nature of the silence of the politicians. The way they keep silence with everything going on is about time for you to know that they know. Anybody who is well-connected House of Rep or Senator know what is going on. Talk less of governor or people who are in the federal executive. They know everything that is going on. But it's unfortunate that they don't care about your life. It is well.